You guys smash like, that helps the algorithm to make sure more people see this. All right, so you can see here that I put the first coat on yesterday, and there are some real iffy spaces here. See this right here? See that? There, that first coat. Yeah, we need a second coat. Plus, can you see where it's like dull there? Like right there? How much of that has to do with the fact this paint's been sitting in my basement for 16 years? That maybe I didn't mix it up enough. I don't know. I shook it up a little bit, but that's possible. You should have seen. I should have taken a picture. The paint was separated into its constituent colors. You could see red like floating on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat of paint on this, and we'll see what the results are. I'll show you afterwards. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, at worst case scenario, I didn't spend any money. I had a couple foam rollers sitting down there. I'm using foam rollers. I would use cloth rollers on a textured surface like this to get into the grooves, but I had those foam rollers laying around forever, so I figured I'd use them up. And so it's not costing me. This project's only costing me time. It's not costing me any money. So I'm fine with that for now. But yeah, if this doesn't work out, and I'm almost at the bottom of that can of paint, we'll just get another color, and we'll just, I'll throw down some gray primer to go over top of the dark color here and pick a different color. But anyway, if you know why that paint does that, like looks flat instead of glossy like the rest of it, see the difference there? Put it in the comments for me. That'd be great. You could share the information with the rest of us and we can learn something. I am not a contractor. I am what you would call an amateur. Just some dude that owns a house that's trying to like save some money by doing things myself. So if you can learn from my mistakes, great. And if I can learn from your wisdom, even better. So smash like for me. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody without getting caught. You guys smash like, that helps the algorithm to make sure more people see this.